Daga jingkashan barat ba ka sarkar India, barban pendap ya ka thong jangka 100th Intensive Action Plan, kansudan ka jingitray borba, akaba ban pendu ya ka kam Shongkha Khynnah, kabari ka kam snew, ka FXB India, Suraksha, kum ka way na ka kinhun triman snobha, kanyalam yaki kinhun ba per, banya tray lang Ri Bhoi District, kum kata ka thong, ban pendu jan, ya ka Shongkha Khynnah, ban pelong ru ya ka ne ka district kum ka district ka balat na ka jing Shongkha Khynnah ka sarkar India ka play pa baru ya ka ne ka thong hari India lingba ka ta ka 100 days intensive awareness campaign bat ka baderu ka thong ka bal viva mukt bharat banyatri borba nakabenta ban pensa priang ki kubor ne banyalap ha ki school ki college ki jaka maneble ne sha ki shnong ki thao banyatri ringkan ban pendo jat sendan ya ka kam Shongkha Khynnah haba phai halor ka jingpentri kam ya ka ni ka thong ban pendo jan ya ka kam Shongkha Khynnah ka FXB India Suraksha ka dei ka way na ka kinhun banyatri lang bat ka Just Right for Children JRC ka Ri India bat ka badeiru ka kinhun trai kam ka ba he ba ka badan hadu arspa sanpotali ki kinhun ki banya snok ti lang na ka benta pan perorlong ya ka ni ka thong ban penkut no ya ka Shongkha Khynnah ha ki sauspa sanpoitali ki district ki badan hapo ka Ri India kumbala plia pa ba ya ka ni ka jingalap ni ka thong mentau snam lingba ka bal viva mukt bharat balapan manapay ba ha ka aprio tarik naiwing araja apsa ka FXB India Suraksha kum ka kenhun balam khmat kan let banyalap ne pen priang kubor shaki school ki college ki jaka maneble ne shaki shnong ki thao bat ban shimru ya ka jing smai ban trai lang na ka benta ban pendap ya ka te ka thong ban penlong ya ka ni ka district ka district ka balat na ka jing Shongkha Khynnah
Evil and abomination of law that hampers girl education, protection, health and development and prevent them from realizing their dreams. Therefore, I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage, ensure that no child marriage takes place in my family, neighborhood or community, report any attempt of child marriage to the panchayat and the government authorities, raise my voice for the education and safety of all children. I support the prohibition of child marriage free Bharat.
Pledge against child marriage. Child marriage is a social evil.
Child marriage is a social evil
And a violation of law.
And a violation of law
That hamper girls' education.
That hampers girls' education,
Protection, health,
and
development. And prevent them from realizing their dream.
from realizing their dreams.
Therefore, I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage. Ensure that no child marriage take place in my family, neighborhood, or community. Reports any attempts of child marriage to the panchayat and the government authorities. Raise my voice for education and safety of all children, and I support the creation of a child marriage free Bharat.
Marriage. Ensure that no child marriage take place in my family, neighborhood, or community. Report any attempt of child marriage to the
Alright. Child marriage is a social evil and a violation of law that hampers girls' education, protection, health and development, and prevents them from realizing their dreams. Therefore, I pledge to make every possible effort against child marriage. Ensure that no child marriage takes place in my family, neighborhood, or community. Report any attempt of child marriage to the panchayat and the government authorities. Raise my voice for the education and safety of all children, and I support the creation of a child marriage free Bharat.